Hello there, welcome back. So my boy Mr. Talented Reid. As you can see in the video right here, this car is smoking. So you get, just imagine you get up in the morning, crank your car and see this lot of smoke. I'm going to show you what's going on with it, why it's smoking like this. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so sorry about that, I didn't get to explain what's going on in the video when I'm replacing this PCV valve. So what the car doing, whenever I crank up, it's making this loud hissing sound and it's smoke really heavy. So when I check, I notice this seal right here. The seal, as you can see right here, it have a hole, so it's sending a lot of oil down in the chamber and cause the car to smoke heavily. So that's it right there guys. So this one is bad and that's it. Hello there, welcome back to another video. My boy Mr. Talented Reid, and today's video I have a PCV valve for a 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. This is right here. So I'm going to put my camera. You guys can see what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a flat pine screwdriver. So it's a flat pine screwdriver guys. I'm going to remove this clamp right here, this hose clamp, to get it loose. So that should be good right there. And with this connector right here guys, this one, normally I have to use a screwdriver and push it, but someone already broke the clip. So what you do is you put a screwdriver in this hole right here and pry it up and pull it off, but someone already damaged it. So I'm going to show you what else to do. How to remove the top of this guard from the motor. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna lift just like that guys, pull it out the back. There you go. Just remove it guys. This is the PCV valve right here guys, that black piece right here, that's the PCV valve. So if I can zoom up the camera a bit more closer. Okay. Alright, so that should be okay right there for you guys to see. So I'm going to use this flat pine screwdriver to pry up these clips. Carry some clips on it. Okay, so this is the whole one right here guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean out this oil inside of the hole right here. Alright, so this hole right here guys, I'm gonna turn it down just like this. Make sure the spring in there. And make sure you hear that click from it when you push it on, so you know that it's locked properly. And there you go. That's it right there guys. So I'm going to place back the air cleaner box right there. Let me zoom in back the video. Okay. So I'm going to place it back on this piece here. show up about that clip. Plug on about this piece right here. Also, I'm going to put on about this piece. Go something like this right here. And that's it, guys. So that's how you change your PCV valve on your 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.